In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email template in Canva with Mailchimp. To begin, open your design in Canva. This is the design that you want to use inside your Mailchimp email, so make sure it is the final version before you download it. Take a moment to look over the layout, text, colors, images, and spacing. Since you will be adding this design into Mailchimp as an image, it is a good idea to make sure everything looks clean and readable inside Canva first. Once your Canva design is open and ready, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where Canva places the main sharing and exporting options. Click Share in the top right corner. This opens the menu where you can choose how you want to use or export your design. After the Share menu opens, look for the Download option. Click Download. This is the option that lets you save your Canva design as a file on your computer, which is what you will need before bringing it into Mailchimp. Downloading the design first helps make the process simple, because Mailchimp can then upload the finished image directly into your email design. Now, you will need to choose the file type for your Canva design. Select JPEG or PNG as the file type. Either option can work for an email image, but PNG is often a good choice if your design has sharp text, logos, or graphics. JPEG can also work well, especially if the design includes photos and you want a smaller file size. After choosing JPEG or PNG, click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your computer. Wait until the download is complete before moving on to Mailchimp. Next, log into Mailchimp. Once you are inside your Mailchimp account, go to Create, and then select Email. This is where you start building a new email campaign or email design. You are moving from the design stage in Canva into the email building stage in Mailchimp, where the downloaded Canva file will be placed into your message. After opening the email creation area, select a layout. Mailchimp will show different layout options that can be used as a starting point for your email. Choose a layout that gives you a clean structure for your design. Since you are adding your Canva file as an image, a simple layout is usually easier to work with. The layout is just the container for your email content, so choose one that gives your image enough space to display clearly. Once the layout is selected, you will be inside the Mailchimp email editor. Look for the available content blocks. Find the image block, then drag and drop the image block into the email design. Place it where you want your Canva design to appear. This block is what allows you to insert the downloaded design file into the email template. After the image block is in place, upload your saved Canva file into the Content Studio. Choose the Canva file that you downloaded earlier as a JPEG or PNG. Mailchimp will add it to your Content Studio, where your uploaded images are stored and managed. Once the upload is complete, select the file so it appears inside the image block in your email design. Take a moment to make sure the image appears correctly in the email layout. Check that it is centered, visible, and displayed the way you expected. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. This saves the image block and returns you to the main email editor with your Canva design added to the Mailchimp email. And that is all there is to it. You have created a design in Canva, downloaded it as an image, and added it to a Mailchimp email template.